Today on the channel, I'll be looking at Google's new audience data exclusions for PMax campaigns. Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm not doing a screen share because the place where I would make this adjustment in settings displays a lot of client information, and it just might basically be like a redacted screen. So there's no point sharing that with you. But basically, what's happened is Google has continued to add a lot more control for PMax, and the latest feature is what they're calling Your Data Exclusions. You will find this setting in PMax. It may not be in your account yet, but will drop soon if you don't have it. So basically, you're going to go into your PMax settings and then the other settings, which is at the bottom. One of the last items will be called Your Data Exclusions, and by default, it won't have no audiences associated. If you open that up and you check the Enable Your Data Exclusions box, then you will have the ability to add audiences, which will exclude them from targeting. Um, Now, keep in mind, this is only your data, which means it's effectively remarketing audiences, right? So customer lists and website visitors, essentially. But if you want to be 100% sure that somebody in a particular list is not receiving your ads, so it could be existing customers, for example, um, or somebody in like your newsletter, you could now exclude them from this. Um, or if you want to make sure that there's no remarketing happening, you could exclude like recent visitors, like 90-day visitors, something like that. So, how useful that is, hard to say. PMax by default does not specifically target any audience signal list that you attach. So sometimes people worry like don't attach a remarketing list, like say like 90-day visitors as part of your audience signals in PMax, but the truth is they're not specifically targeted and is really good data to help feed kind of what your ideal audience looks like. So don't be afraid of that. But if you do want to 100% exclude those, this is a way to do it. You can, of course, also use the bidding settings to only focus on new customers, which also would exclude anybody in a customer list, but not necessarily website visitors. So this just gives you a little more control over those specific lists. Is it a great feature? I would really like to be able to exclude any type of list, but Google's not going to allow that at this point. So unfortunately, we're still going to be targeting some folks that we may not want to. But it's another step in the right direction, right? So PMax is becoming or allowing a lot more control now and a lot more transparency to the various things Google's rolling out. So quick one today. That is it for me. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.